Blackheads can spoil the looks of your beautiful face. You would realize that the blackheads are nothing but the gunk in your pores that oxidizes and turns into black color. They are inside your pores, but there is no skin over them. They are not harmful but certainly annoying. There are a number of different natural ways to remove these pesky spots. One of the effective ways is to use baking soda to remove blackheads on the nose and other parts of the face. It is an old age remedy but has no scientific data to back it up. Although baking soda is already popular for baking, cleaning, and deodorizing, it is now becoming one of the most favorite exfoliants to remove blackheads and other impurities settled on your skin. Baking soda not only removes your blackheads instantly but also neutralizes your skin's pH. As a result, your skin will start to produce less oil with regular treatment. This will help in permanent removal of blackheads. But baking soda may also make your skin dry. So be careful. Some people add honey, lemon juice, salt or even toothpaste to baking soda and water to remove blackheads. You can also try out these variants to assess their effectiveness. In its simplest form, you just need 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of water each to remove blackheads on the nose. Mix them to make a paste. You can add a few drops of organic apple cider vinegar to act as a toner. That's it. Your baking soda blackhead removal recipe is ready to use. Now wash your face with warm water to open up the pores by loosening the dust and other impurities lodged there. Apply the baking soda paste on the blackheads area of your face and gently massage for 2 to 5 minutes. This will further loosen up and remove the dirt and other impurities out of pores. Rinse the baking soda paste with warm water. It is rare, but if you are allergic to baking soda, then your skin may get irritated and turn red. In that case, quickly wash your face and don't use baking soda again. You can use other methods of exfoliation to remove blackheads. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.